In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF files created in WPS Office Android via WhatsApp. Welcome and thank you for watching. Sharing PDF files directly from your mobile device can save time and make communication much more efficient, especially when you need to send important documents quickly to colleagues, friends, or clients. With WPS Office on Android, this process is both simple and straightforward. To begin, make sure your PDF is fully edited and ready to share. Open the document you want to send in WPS Office. At the top of the screen, you will see the Share button. Tapping this button opens a menu with all available sharing options, giving you several ways to send your file directly from the app. Before proceeding, ensure that WhatsApp is installed and set up on your device. The WhatsApp option will only appear if the app is properly installed. Once confirmed, tap the Share button and select WhatsApp from the list. The app will launch automatically and allow you to choose the contact or group where you want to send your PDF. You can scroll through your contacts or use the search function to quickly locate the intended recipient. Once you have selected the person or group, simply tap Send. WPS Office will generate a link to the PDF and send it directly through WhatsApp, making it easy for the recipient to access the document without any additional steps. It is important to note that this method sends the PDF via a link rather than attaching the full file. This approach is especially useful for sharing larger documents, as it ensures that the file can be opened seamlessly with any compatible PDF viewer. It also reduces the chance of errors or failed attachments that sometimes occur with traditional file transfers. By understanding how WPS Office integrates with WhatsApp, you can streamline your workflow and make document sharing faster and reliable. This method allows you to send PDFs directly from WPS Office while maintaining full control over who receives the file and ensuring that it remains accessible and easy to view. Following these steps ensures your edited PDFs are sent quickly and accurately, making document sharing on the go both practical and efficient. Whether you are sending reports, presentations, or personal files, this process helps you stay organized and professional in your communication. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share your PDF files with confidence and ease.